Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing a street photography POV video, and today I'm excited to come out here and shoot because I'm shooting with a new camera. A new camera for me, old camera, new for me. The Fujifilm X100, the Fujifilm X70. I sold my X100V because I had too many cameras, and then I ended up buying another Fujifilm camera. And so this is what we're doing today. We are headed to the Tampa River Fest, and I'm gonna just walk around downtown Tampa and shoot. I think we got a little bit, or the tail end of the protest here in front of the federal courthouse. I'm gonna walk over there and see what I can capture really quick. So let's head over there. Oh, we got here late, man. It's protest going on. So we'll go on the other side and walk out. I got here too late, so we're gonna head over to the park. Go hang out in that area.
It's always the ones with the stars that you It's the humble and the weak, all the misfit heroes you chose. Tell me there's hope for sinners. Have you ever lost it? Have you ever lost it? Lost it. Have you ever looked at somebody saying, man, I love that?
All right, so we have the anti-abortion and pro-life people there having a discussion. That was all I was able to capture there. We're gonna keep it moving. And by the way, I have the Black Pro Mist, Tiffin Black Pro Mist 1/4 Black Pro Mist on here. Let's give it a little bloom here. It's nice and sunny. Be shooting like in a Kodachrome 64, I believe, is the film recipe I'm using. I can't remember, but here we go. Yeah, I hope this angle works for you. I have the camera on the shoulder strap, and it's kind of bumpy, but I'll do my best. Anyhow, I'm shooting manual mode. I have the camera set to f8, and shooting underexposed by 2/3. So those are my settings here. I got the ISO on automatic, and let's roll. Just trying to get this right here. Nadie te va a apachurrar, nadie te va a apachurrar. Tampa Theater. If you don't know, the X70 has an 18mm lens. That's a approximately 28mm equivalent, which is really wide, a little bit wider than I'm used to shooting. I'll try to capture this scene right here with scoot over here where all the action's at. Some good light here. Some more action over here. Alright. Let's keep it moving. Oh, you want to go that way? Okay. Cool. Puedo ver con esta mierda. Alright, let's keep it moving. On the right, on the left, something fun, weekend, something like that.
Okay.
That way I can see who lost money today.
Did I get those girls? I think I did. I'm trying to get these girls, but they're aware. Oh, what? That's the shot. Scorpion playing up here.
Take it back a bit, down toward the inside as Tampa goes up outside of Tartan and farther out and close to the paces. Time behind. Zozos is next after 3/4 in 1 minute 10 and 4 seconds, and now Epicenter comes splitting horses.
Alright, so back at the house, guys. Just wanted to take out my new camera, do some street photography with it. I've been using it on and off about 2 weeks and just trying to get used to it, trying to get used to the wider field of view and, 28mm full frame equivalent, as I mentioned earlier. If you have any questions about it, make sure you drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you guys down there. But fantastic camera. I think it's still a great camera in 2022. Obviously, there's better cameras out there, newer ones. The one that I had, the X100V, is a fantastic camera, faster, different film simulations that this one is missing. But hey, you could always tweak them, go in there and create your own recipe. Fun little camera. I just got to get used to the 28mm full frame equivalent lens. I'm not used to shooting that close to people, which in this video I really didn't do that, but I do like to get a little bit. My shots, I like them to be a little bit closer. I'm used to shooting with the 35mm and the 50mm. But yeah, I love the size. Check that out. Look how compact that is. But yeah, Fujifilm, they make great cameras, and it does take a little getting used to. Does have certain, somewhat of a lag to it. There was parts there where I struggled because I couldn't really see the screen well. Obviously, you don't have the viewfinder. You just have the LED screen to use, but so far good impressions. I can't really complain about this camera. These are hard to get, and this one I got off of eBay like new. Honestly, it's like brand new. I just bought the lens hood myself. This is a Heyoji brand, third-party brand lens hood. I've used this brand before for my Fujifilm X100F and V. I have the square hood. They make some really good products in my opinion. So I did lose that day my lens cap, so I ended up having to order this as well. I was a little pissed off about that because I lost the original lens cap. Also Heyoji brand lens cap, if you're wondering. I'll link the stuff down below if you want to check those out. They are affiliate links, so just know they are, and they won't cost you any additional money. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Let me know which one was your favorite shot. Check me out on Instagram, PhotoMarlon, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.